Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, child safety locks, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.